Alright, hey guys. Hey everyone, thank you for checking in again today. Today we're going to be looking at how you can afford a home for, I think it was $700 a month. So this one actually comes from a listing of mine that's going to be coming to the market very soon. 487 Conroe Street, located in 19128. So we'll go ahead and just take a look at some of the pictures on this, just so you guys can see what it looks like. So well-maintained home, located about a 2-minute walk right away from Ridge Avenue, so right in the heartbeat of Roxborough. It's right near the Starbucks and the Foodery and the beverage store. So you can see it was well-maintained, newly painted, stainless steel appliances, 2 full bathrooms in this one with a backyard as well as a front porch. So that's the downstairs one. 3 bedrooms. This is the first one with the bay window. Second upstairs full bathroom. This is the middle room, newly painted, original hardwood and woodworking in the entire home, and this is the 3rd bedroom. So with the backyard and the front porch. So this one is selling for $280. Now if we look at rentals in the area, we're looking at I think for a 1-bedroom, this one is $1150. So we're not going to be looking at $1150 per bedroom, but I'll show you how this kind of breaks down once we put it into the calculator. So $280 is the asking price. We're going to put that in there for the purchase price. 30-year loan, down payment 3.5%. We're just going to assume a first-time homeowner program for this one, and interest rates are floating at around 3%, 3.25%, 3.5%. So we'll go with 3.3%. So this is where this one makes sense. If you buy this home and you rent it to 2 people, so you have 3 bedrooms, you live in 1 room, and you rent the other 2 bedrooms out, that's where we're going to get this figure from. So we rent out each bedroom for $650 each. That's a total income of $1,300. So our principal and interest based on this one is $1,100. It's almost $1,200. Taxes, we found that from the listing. That breaks down this figure every month. PMI, because it's a first-time home buyer program, we have that attached to it. And then interest, I can't guarantee that, so 65 is what we've been using, so we'll just go ahead and keep using that number. All in, our monthly expense is $1,678. Now, you guys will probably say, well, why aren't you doing it? Why I can own this home for $350 a month? Well, we have to save some money just in case things go wrong, so that's where we go ahead and save 7% just in case we have a vacancy or we have a reserve that we need to hold on to, or if we have to make repairs. So we bumped that up to about $2,000 a month. So you can see right here, instead of having a positive cash flow, we're actually negative $731 in this one. So that's how much money you'd have to be paying every month to live here. That also includes putting money away. So yes, $300 a month can be possible, but let's be conservative here and put the other money away and save it just in case something happens. So we'll go down to how much money you need to buy this place. So it's $280,000. Interest rate is 3.3%. We're going to need 4.2% split between buyer and seller for transfer tax. That gets this figure. Title fees, again, can't guarantee those, but we've been using 1.5, so we'll go ahead and continue with that. Total out-of-pocket monies is $19,000. Now, this number can get taken down if you do get a seller assist for, let's say, $9,000. Then all of a sudden you need $9,000 to get into this thing. With a gross revenue, we're going to use that term in this one for $1,300. And breakdown of all the expenses here, we're again paying $731 a month to get into this thing. So that's how you can afford to live in this house for $700 a month. Get this house, get it for this price, put that much money down, and you'll be able to rent out the 2 bedrooms for $650 each. And then you'd be able to live here for $700 a month. They call this house hacking. So most times people do this with like a duplex, like a triplex, where you live in 1 unit and rent the other 2 out. It's the same concept. You're simply just doing it in a single family home and you're renting bedrooms out. So if you guys have any questions or you'd like to take a look at this property specifically or something similar like that, or if you'd like me to break something like this down for you for another property, don't hesitate to. My information is in the description of this video. Feel free to contact me at any time. I hope this was some information that was helpful to you, and thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a great rest of your day.